Hey there, welcome back to another brand new video in our channel Health and Wellness. In this video, we will show you best garlic supplements. Number 1. Think Remedy Black Garlic Capsule. It's top garlic pills for high blood pressure. It will enrich your body immune system, helps in cardiovascular health, great for blood pressure. Number 2. Ju Nutrition Garlic. It's powerful immune booster garlic supplement. It's efficient than a clove, best for blood pressure, easy to swallow. Number 3. Cowlick 8 Garlic. It's best aged garlic extract supplement. It will support full body, mostly used for blood pressure, organically produced. Number 4. Puritan Sprite Garlic Oil. It's high quality garlic gels. Mostly, it's used for cardio health, naturally produced, supports heart health. And last of all, editor's choice. BRI Nutrition Odorless Garlic. It's great for supporting heart and cardiovascular health. And in this one, you will get all of the features of above products. So without any further thinking, check the link in the description below to get any of these products. And don't forget to subscribe our channel Health and Wellness.